Hey everyone, I'm Rossi, and you're in my backyard. We're grilling today. I love cooking over a gas grill, and Fire Magic is all about versatility. So they have added a charcoal smoker box that is so much fun to use, and it's easier than you might think to get it fired up. Let's get into it. This is the charcoal smoker box. If you have an Echelon diamond grill, it's come with it already. So here's how you use it. You have the stainless steel grid on top where you put your wood chips, or in this case, charcoal. If you are using wood chips, that's gonna give you a beautiful smoked nuance in your grilling. For charcoal, you're gonna have some fun over the open flame. And then they have the ash catch down below where all the little ash drops through the cooking grid, and it makes for a really easy cleanup. So here's how you lay it in. So to install it, what you need to do is pull aside the cooking grid and remove the flavor grid. And you can see it has a little cutout. You're gonna line that up with the feet on your burner. It's that easy. Now let's load up the charcoal. I love using these hardy lump charcoal pieces. They burn well, they give a beautiful hardwood effect. The best part is you don't need newspaper and a match to light up the coals. You're gonna use the hot surface ignition for a one-touch light up. One of my favorite things to serve up, especially when we have friends over, is a mixed grill, and it does so well on the charcoal smoker box. So today I have some salt and pepper chicken wings, some Greek marinated lamb chops, kielbasa, some romaine and corn on the cob, and then for the wow factor, a split lobster, and check out these bacon wrapped shrimp. I'm gonna serve them with a little tzatziki, some lavender butter on the side, and it's gonna make everybody happy. With Fire Magic grills, everyone feels like a chef. I love sides, fixins, and spreads, and one thing that goes so well with grilled meats and vegetables is a really good tzatziki. Well, this one has a little bit of a twist. I have a really nice, thick, creamy Greek yogurt, cucumber, which is traditional in tzatziki, but here I have some parsnips. They're fresh, they're in season, they add a little bit of spice and kick and pair really well with this dish. Some apple cider vinegar, some minced shallot, crushed garlic, a little lemon juice, and kosher salt and pepper. Let's take a look at the coals. Oh, nice. See that great white color? This is screaming hot. You have really great heat distribution. This is where the cooking grids with their trapezoid design are awesome. Woo-hoo-hoo. We have the chicken wings with a little white pepper and kosher salt. And who doesn't love kielbasa? I like putting it on a shish kebab to make it easy to roll. Have you guys ever seen shrimp this big? We peeled the bodies and then wrapped them with bacon. These are going to impress. Whether you're using the charcoal smoker box or just the good old gas-fired grill, look at how much cooking space you have on this 48-inch cooking deck. This is enough to feed a crowd. And I love that aspect of multitasking. It makes for a lot of fun if you love to grill. I like to start with the flesh side down of the split lobster, and then I flip them after they've gotten a nice cook, and I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit of lavender infused butter onto the flesh. It's gonna be a little bit sweet, a little bit savory. How good does this look? I don't know what I'm gonna go for first. Maybe a little bite of lamb chop with some tzatziki. For this recipe, this grill, and so much more, just head to firemagicgrills.com.